Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to set up audio inside of your PowerPoint presentation. We had a viewer specifically request that we make this video after they were having some issues getting audio to play back inside of their PowerPoint. This should be a fairly quick video, but we are going to talk through how to add audio and how to adjust the playback settings. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll leave links down below. Without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so I'm inside of my PowerPoint presentation, and let's just say, for example, I want a background song to be playing during this entire presentation. In terms of adding audio to our slideshow, this is going to take place on the Insert tab. So navigating over to the Insert tab and all the way to the right, we have an entire dedicated button just for audio. Once you click on this, we have two options. We can add audio from our PC. This is going to be any type of audio file such as MP3 or WAV, or we could record audio directly inside of PowerPoint. We'll show you guys both options. For now, let's try audio on my PC. I'm going to select one of these songs. This is a WAV file here, and I want this song to play throughout the entire PowerPoint in the background. I'll double click it, and we're automatically brought to this new tab here called Playback. Here where it says No Style, I could leave it like this, which would basically mean that I would manually press play once going to the slide in the presentation. While we could leave that option, I want it to play in the background. So I'm going to select this here. There's also an option here called Play Across Slides. If I only wanted it on the background on the home page or this cover page, I would uncheck this, but I actually do want it to play, and I also want it to loop. I'm going to add a slight fade in here. So this is going to be a fade in duration in seconds. We'll go for 3 seconds fade in and a 3-second fade out. We have other options such as trim. We could change whether it starts automatically or when clicked on or in the click sequence. We can hide or show the audio icon during the show. I would like to hide it or adjusted audio as its own file. Okay, so with our settings configured, let's go ahead and see what that did. I'm going to go to slideshow and we'll press from beginning. Now, if I want to remove the audio, I can click this button right here and simply press the backspace or delete key. And now there's going to be no audio just like there was before. Let's try recording some audio and seeing what happens with that. We'll go back to Insert and to Audio, and here we'll hit Record. We could name this, or we can simply just start recording. Threads versus cores explained, a simple guide for students. Okay, with our recording, we could either take another one, or we could press OK if we're happy with that one. Again, if I click on the audio, I can go to the Playback tab, and we can again change our settings. Okay, for this one, I actually want no style, but I do want it to play automatically. So it should automatically turn on as soon as we start to present. Let's try that. Start recording. Threads versus cores explained, a simple guide for students. And as we could hear, my voice automatically started playing as soon as I started presenting the PowerPoint. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about getting audio to play inside of your PowerPoint presentation, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have an idea of a specific video topic you'd like to see, we strongly encourage you to let us know in the comments. This video was one of these commented video requests. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.